Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Citizens Bank account number and routing number. Open the website, then click Login. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Login. Now, log in with your online user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for bank accounts. Under bank accounts, you will see your one deposit checking account. Beside it is a blue text that says Details. To view your account and routing number, click on Details. Now you will be able to see your bank account number and routing number. That's how you view your Citizens Bank account number and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.